Good morning. So all those who are coming new, take out your maths books, maths notebooks, page number 93. To ask anything, you can type in the chat box if you want to ask anything. And yes, good morning to everyone. So no need to type it again and again. A very good morning to all of you. No need to type. What is the answers of divide? What do you mean by what is the answers of divide? Okay. Now, so I'm going to teach you about word problems related to division. Like multiplication में हमने क्या किया था number stories में? What we have done in number stories given in the multiplication, if one thing is given to us and we are asked to cost many, then we used to do the multiply. तो हम multiply करते थे. हमें किसी one चीज के बारे में पता है. Just wait a second. If we are asked about, if we have anything one, okay, just wait a minute, Akshaj. Now, if something one is there and you have to calculate for many, then we used to do the multiply. One से many में क्या करते थे? Multiply. For example, आपको one pen की cost पता है. आपको one pen की cost पता है 5 rupees है. तो अगर आप 10 pens लोगे, how much will you cost? अगर आप 10 pens लेने जाओगे, it will cost you rupees 50. Okay. So one से one pen की आपको पता थी and 10 pens की आपको निकाली थी. अब if opposite is given to you, for example, 8 pens आप लेने जाते हो. You go to a shop and you are going to buy 8 pens. ठीक है? तो the shop वाले uncle asked you for 8 pens. They asked you give me 80 rupees. The shop वाले uncle says that give me 80 rupees for 8 pens. Then tell me what will be the cost of one pen. I'm going to unmute you for 1 minute. For a minute. So within 1 minute, answer me this only, nothing else. सिर्फ मुझे इतना answer चाहिए. What is the cost of one pen?
10.
10 rupees.
How much?
10 rupees.
10.
One pen is equals to 10 rupees. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now again. Now listen to me again carefully. आपने 8 पेन्स लिए 80 रुपीस के थे. 1 पेन लिया 10 रुपीस का था. अब आपने 8 पेन्स लिए हैं and it is of 96 rupees. And you have to calculate how much is the cost of one pen. Now can you tell? Now can you tell? I'm going to unmute you all so you can just answer me. How much? How much here?
12.
See,
12.
those who are saying 12, those who are saying 12, why? Those who are saying 12, why? How did they do it? Those who are saying 12, how did they do it?
Ma'am, because 12
See,
12 plus 12.
Ma'am,
okay.
96 divided by 8.
Very good, very good. Yes, very good. Now I'm going to mute you all. Now listen. Listen again carefully to me. So 8 pence is equals to 96. 1 pen is equals to 12 rupees. Those who are saying 12, they are correct. And the answer which you gave me, why 12, that is also correct. क्योंकि बेटा देखो जब हमें many pens की cost दे रखी है, many pens की cost दे रखी है and 1 की निकालनी होती है, we used to do the divide. Okay? इधर आप देखो, अगर आप देखोगे इधर 10 को आपको कैसे पता? आपने 80 को 10 से डिवाइड, 80 को 8 से डिवाइड किया. When you divide 80 divided by 8, you will get 8 rupees. Sorry. 80 divided by 8, you will get 10 rupees each pen. Each pen will be of each, and I already told you in maths, in word problem, the word each and a, per, what does it mean? Show me in your fingers. What does it mean? I want to see in your finger. What does it mean? Each, a, and. Show me in your fingers. What is this, Akshaj? What are you showing? 3, 5, wait. What are you saying? Showing. What does it mean? Very good, Shaurya. Very good, Akhya. Akshya, good. Very good. Ashray, good. Jastrina, good. Yatharth, good. Very good. Atharth Singh, very good. Bamika, correct. Yuvraj Gupta, very good. Ashray, correct. Panchal, good. Adya, correct. And who is this? Suprema, 5. It means 5, Suprema. It means 5. Have you not attended the previous classes of multiplication? It's not 5. What is this, Utkarsh? What is this? This is nothing, Utkarsh. Very good, Kanishka. Okay, Vidanshu, correct. Rishabh, correct. Akshaj, again, now correct, Akshaj. Just Ashray, nothing. अच्छा, Ashray showed me previously. भव्य तो आराम से बैठेंगे बस, फिर कहेंगे मैम आई हैव अ डाउट. अभी नहीं बताएंगे, फिर बाद में डाउट होगा इनको. हाँ, टेल मी द आंसर. यू आर नॉट एबल टू म्यूट. नो नो नो, फिंगर दिखानी है बेटा बस. फिंगर नहीं, फिंगर्स में यू हैव टू टेल मी, नथिंग एल्स. अरे भव्य, listen, no need to unmute yourself. No, it does not mean this. No, wrong, Bhavya. Wrong. Okay, everyone now listen properly. Very good. Most of you are correct. But some of you, those who have not attended the previous classes, they are not correct. Okay. Now see here. What does it mean? In maths, each and a per, what does it mean? It means 1. It means 1. Okay. So whenever we have to give, many things are given to us and we have to calculate for 1. So we used to do the division. We used to divide. Okay. Now take out your maths books. Okay, one by one I'm going to give you a chance to unmute yourself. I'll ask one by one. Okay. Adya, unmute yourself. Adya. And अगर मैंने बोला unmute yourself, अगर आप within 1 minute में आपको unmute और video on करते हो, then I will ask you. Otherwise I will pass. Okay, 1 minute के अंदर, within 1 minute, 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds you have to do it. Okay. You have to switch on your video as well as audio. I'll give you the permission. Adya has gone now. Okay. Next, I'm going to call. Wait a minute. Parmeet. Parmeet, read the first question quickly. Parmeet, speak. Read the first question on page number 93.
7.
Speak.
Ma'am, what is this written?
Beta, 7 belts. BELTS is belts. Everyone look into your books. Everyone look into your books.
Yeah.
Page number 93, question number 1. Atharv Gupta.
7 belt. 7 belt cost is 910 rupees.
Yes.
Find the cost of 1 belt.
Yes. So what is given here? 7 belt cost means you are going to buy 7 belts, and 7 belts and you are paying 910 rupees. You have to find the cost of how many belts? Only 1 belt. So I told you from many to 1, what we do? We used to do the divide. Okay. I think it is very easy. So let us leave this question. We will start from question number 2. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Arav Solanki, change your name, and you were not attending the classes. Okay, then Vidanshu. Vidanshu, read the second question. Yes, you can say big to small, but beta वो subtraction में भी तो आ जाता है big to small. Akshaj. Akshaj is asking me one question on chat box, so I'm writing that. I'm replying him. Okay, so Akshaj, बेटा वो उसमें आ जाता है. क्या बोलते हैं? Subtraction में भी तो यही होता है big to small. But you can say if you know the cost of many things and you have asked for one. Many के लिए बारे में पता, उसी चीज की 1 के बारे में पता करना है तो डिवाइड करते हैं. और डिवाइडेड इक्वली भी होता है. जैसे 100 रुपीज है आपके पास, ठीक है. अब आपको यस आरव सलांकी, नाउ इट इज चेंज्ड. ओके. हाँ, अभी मैंने किसको चांस दिया था? वेदांशु. तो जॉनी माइक रीड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन.
A teacher distributes 496 sweets equally among a group of 8 students. How many sweets does each student get?
Very good. Very good, Vedanshu. Okay. Now, Ashray. Ashray, कहाँ गया Ashray? He has gone somewhere. Oh, here. Okay, Ashray, what can we do here? Yes.
Yes,
Tell me,
ma'am.
Ashray. Ha, beta. What to do here in this question number 2? What do you have to do in question number 2? Speak, beta. I'm waiting for you. Your voice is not coming. Beta, come closer. Come closer. Your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, I am reading the question.
Speak up.
A classroom has 734 chairs. How many
No, beta. Second one only. Ashray, second one only.
teacher distributes 496 seats equally?
So what happened? So what happened? Listen to me now. Okay, I am a teacher. Read this as a story. Read this question as a story. And Ashray, you stop eating during the classes. That's why you don't know what to do. Okay? Okay, now look here, everyone. See, what happened here? A teacher distributes 496 sweets equally among a group of 8 students. Suppose I am a teacher and there are 8 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm having how many sweets? I'm having 490 sweets. Now I have to give it to 8 students equally. See, read the question. See the question. A teacher distributes 496 equally among a group of 8 students. So, group of 8 students have to distribute these sweets to them. Okay. Now, how many sweet does each student get? Now you have to tell. Suppose 8 students मैंने आप में से choose कर लिए. 496 sweets है मेरे पास. Now, how much will you get? If you are 8 students, type in the chat box. How will you come to know? Okay. Change the 6. Okay, very good. कैसे करोगे बेटा? I'm not saying कि कितना आएगा. I'm asking how will you do it? Okay, Kanav, why have you not attended? Very good, Panchul. Very good. Excellent. कैसे करोगे इसको? Aru ro, what is Aru? Yes, very good, Akshaj. Very good, Shaurya. Okay. वेरी गुड विदांशु. युवराज गुप्ता एकदम करेक्ट है. वेदांत वो युवराज गुप्ता बस एक मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. दिस डिवाइड साइन के बाद स्मॉलर नंबर आता है ऑलवेज. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक यू पीपल डू. Akhir, no, I'm not asking this. Suprema, absolutely wrong. Okay, Akarnav. Riddhi, wrong. Very good, Naisha. By decorated? What decorated? Is there something decorated? Mono Mokshat, wrong. Yatharth, correct. Okay, Akshat, go and have it. And please bring it some for me because you will never let me. Um, no, nothing, Arav Solanki. Just wait for some time. No, Arkan. Very good, Vamika. Okay, now listen. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, tell me now. I'm going to ask you what will be the statement. What will be the first statement you are going to write down? Okay, let me ask it from Abhineet. Abhineet, switch on your mic. Abhineet, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what will be the first statement.
Ma'am, our first question.
नहीं, second question जो अभी पढ़ा रही हो बेटा. Everyone else start writing this. बाकी सब ये लिखना start करो. Maths Fair notebook, new page से exercise. हाँ, Abhineet, you tell me the statement.
Our teacher disputes.
No, no, हम ऐसे करते ही नहीं है. मैंने अभी आपको कैसे बताया? बिल्कुल वैसे लिखते ही नहीं है statement. First statement क्या होगी? Tell me. I'm writing this question. We are leaving question 1 because it is very easy. You all can do it. No need to do with this question 1. You can get. Anyone who wants to tell me the statement of the answer to first statement, raise your hands. Who wants to tell me the answer of for A1? You raise your hands. Okay, let me see all those who are raising their hands. Yatharth is going to tell me the answer statement of this one. Tell.
Number of
Very good.
number of children sweets.
Okay. Jaskaran इतना बड़ा बड़ा लिखा था अभी पेज नंबर 93. I'm now coming and where is Jaskaran? I'm coming to you right now. अभी आती हूँ मैं Jaskaran के पास ही. हाँ यथार्थ.
Number of sweets
Yes.
distribute.
बस बेटा इतना नंबर स्टेटमेंट नहीं होता है. It's okay यथार्थ. Okay Jasrina. बेटा quickly tell me the statement. ओहो क्या करती हो Jasrina? हाँ tell me.
There are 8 students in class. Number of students are 8.
No. Yatharth told me correct answer. That is number of students. Number of total. Okay, Yatharth ने बोला number of sweets distributed. नहीं, or not. You will not write number of sweets. We will write total number of sweets. Otherwise, everything is correct. बेटा कभी भी उसमें से देखोगे ना, उसमें से सर्च करोगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा. अभी क्या हुआ, मेरे पास 496 स्वीट्स थी, तो आप क्या लिखोगे, नंबर ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्वीट्स है ना, दैट इज टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. Total number of sweets. You will just write total number of sweets. How many total number of sweets were there? 496 sweets. Okay, and you will write number of children. How many number of children are there? NO dot is the short form of number. Okay. NO dot is the short form of number of children. Is how many number of children are there? 8 students. Okay, students दे रखा है तो let it be students only. अगर children दे रखा होता तो we will write children. If it is given student, then we will write student. Number of students. Right, number of students. Okay, 8. So what you will write now here, number of sweets each student get. Number of sweets each student get. Statement has to be short होनी चाहिए. 496 divided by 8. Okay, now solve it. And solving बेटा यहाँ पे कोई start नहीं करेगा. ऐसे अगर किसी ने divided by 8 लिख दिया है, it should not be done like this. And one more thing, ऐसे भी कोई नहीं लिखने वाला है 8 divided by 496. This is the biggest mistake you people may do. Okay, now divided 496 divided by 8. Here, now start dividing. And do not send me the answers. After doing 2 questions, you will send me the answer. Okay? Solve it. Learn the tables well. If you don't know the table, you will not be able to do it. Check whether you have done in the same way or not. 8 6 are 48. Subtracted. You will get 1 and you copy this 6 here. 8 2s are 16 and you will subtract and you will get the remainder 0. So quotient is 62 and remainder is 0. So you will write the so statement also as Vamika was asking me, yes, ma'am, we have to write the so statement also. Yes, it is very important to write so statement. So, हमें क्या पता 62 आंसर है या 0 आंसर है इसका. Okay, so that's why we have done it. We have to do like so 62 sweets. So, sorry. So each student will get each student. So statement कुछ भी हो सकती है बेटा. Correct answer होना चाहिए बस. So each student will get 62 sweets. Okay. Okay. Next question will be read by Daksh. Daksh, read the so question number 3. By the time all of you do this, जल्दी करो fast. मैं अभी रख कर रही हूँ इसको. अतर हाँ sorry Daksh. Read the question.
has
हाँ.
734 chairs.
What does it mean?
How?
What does it mean? What does it mean?
One classroom has 734 chairs.
734 chairs are there. Okay. A classroom के अंदर 734 total 734 chairs are there. Okay. Now next आगे पढ़ो.
How many rows of 5 chairs?
Can be formed.
Each
Now,
can be found.
अब now you have to say one row में five chairs आ रही है. 1 2 3 4 5. One row में 5 chairs आ रही है. Okay, let me rub this. Then you will be able to understand. All of you have done this. If you have not done this, then take a screenshot of it. If you have done this, then take a screenshot of it.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Those who have not done it also, then also I am rubbing it. नहीं भी किया है, then also I am rubbing it. Enough time I have given to you. Okay. Now what happened?
What is the page number?
93, Jaskaran. 93. You are asking me this question third time. Okay, now see. A classroom is there. This is a classroom, and classroom में there are 734 chairs, and one row will be of 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 chairs in one row. Okay. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. How many rows will be formed if 5 chairs are arranged in each row? And there are total how many rows? 700. Sorry, how many chairs? 734. So you have to divide 734 into how many parts? Into 5 chairs. 734 chairs you have to divide in 5 parts. 1 2 3 4 5. 734 को आपको 5 parts में divided करना है. Okay, so you have the total number of chairs, you have the number of chair in one row. Now you have to calculate how many rows, number of rows. Okay, so what will you do? You will do divide again. You have to divide 734 chairs into 5 equal parts. Okay, into 5 equal parts. So now write question number 3. Write question 3. A classroom from a classroom ... till end तक. अच्छा, one more question is they are asking how many are left at the end. Last में कितनी बचेगी? The remainder will be how many left in the end का answer होगा. The remainder will be the answer. How many are left in the end? Okay. Now see answer 3. Okay. How many total chairs are there? How many total chairs are there? How many total chairs are there?
734.
Very good.
734.
What will be the second statement? अभी मैंने बताई थी. Tell me quickly. Tell me.
Number of chairs in one row.
Very good. Number of chair in one row. Somebody speak of number of chair in one row. How many chairs are there in one row? 5. Number of chairs आएगा. Okay. Number of chairs is in one row. Next, you will write number of rows. You have to calculate number of rows. Is equals to 734 divided by 5. Start dividing 5 by 734. Be quick. I don't want to waste any more time. Time meeting is going to be over and I want this work to be completed. In next class, we'll finish this up. I will finish this in the next class. Be quick. Yatharth, abhi we are not doing the fourth one. Let us finish this one.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, now class is over.
No, class is not over. They are doing this work. You also divide. Okay, what is the quotient coming?
146. Not
146.
146.
146 and remainder is
146.
बेटा दो मिस्टेक्स अवॉइड करनी है. पहले तो यहाँ पे डिवाइड कोई स्टार्ट नहीं करेगा. सेकंड मिस्टेक इज ऐसे कोई नहीं लिखेगा. दिस इज रॉन्ग.
Ma'am, I have done.
ऐसे कोई लिखेगा दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. युवराज गुप्ता, सी दिस विल बी रॉन्ग.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now see, 5 ones are 5. Now you subtracted, you will get 2 here. Copy this down, this 3. 5 fours are 20. Subtracted, you will get 3 here. Copy this down, 4. 5 6 are 30. Subtract it and you will get 4 here. So 4 is the remainder. So they are asking how many are left in the end. So quotient is 146. Now these are number of rows and these are left chairs. 734 में से 4 chairs are left. So statement I'm writing here. So statement you also have to write. So there will be
5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15,
5 1 5, 5 2 10. Stop your mic. So there will be 146 chairs. Sorry, 146 rows. And
Ma'am, please size.
4 chairs will be left. And 4 chairs will be left.
Ma'am, please side.
Okay. Do it quickly.
Here is not coming.
What is not coming?
And here is
What is?
ma'am, this divide is not coming full.
This divide is not coming full, so to do it on next page.
But I'll do it in one page only. The divide.
Ma'am, I have done.
And I will come in group.
And we have to send on group.
I have to post on the group.
On mute.
Ma'am, I have done, so I have to post on the group.
You can do something.
Ma'am,
को बना के
done.
I will join the class.